Hey friends, if you encounter the error 1719 Windows installer service could not be accessed on Windows 11, then please watch this video. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the Windows installer service. Okay, right click on it and select start. Now I'll tell you why you encountered this issue in the first place. So the Windows installer service is a service which will not be started by default. You will have to manually start it. Okay, one more thing that you can do is right click and select properties, and if you have the option change it to automatic, but mostly you won't have the option. So this will solve the problem. That is the main solution. But in the rare case that it does not help, you'll have to perform an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.